Hi guys, we are in the funny moment with Madame. Watch out. So guys, today we have 3 cups here. 2 are smaller ones, while 1 is the bigger one there. So today, my wife will take 1, then I will take 1. So we are going to be filling this bigger glass with water. Anyone that his or her own does not drop down will win this money. This is 200 euro. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I win, I will take the money. But if my wife wins, she will take the money. So let's go, guys. Now let's put the money here. Yeah, let's go. If you put and it drops, so see, the one that is dropping from this glass, not the one. If this one feed up and it goes down, let's go.
Hey, God, let me win. Oh. Hey.
Who is taking 200 euro today? Who is taking 200 euro today? That it, oh no, you know it, I know it. You know it, you know it.
Watch now.
Guys. Don't enter. Give me. Can you under your best me on no go job for a job? Yeah, let's go. You know, job. Who is winning, guys? Who do you want to win? Comment it below. Just tell me who you want to win. How did it do one? My 200 euro is going. Wait, we don't play with this. This one at 200 euro. Wait to pull them. Go.
Hey.
You don't already full. Let's go. You know that one no enter. Hey, let's go. Don't. Sienna, you never even drop down. Sienna. Come stay.
And I know.
You didn't need them for this one. Oh yeah, put. This won't make me meet her. I'm not in a lie. You don't.
And I know, okay. I'll change another cup then. Ah.
God. And don't forget. What is the one I give one side? Hey, yeah. Oh, Lord have mercy on my 200 euro. Have mercy in Jesus for my 200 euro. Oh. And this cup don't full. She knows it don't full. This cup don't full. Water don't go up. Ah. Oh, yeah. Go. This cup don't full. Ah. I don't see one that. Wait oh. This one's strange. Cup don't full. Water no one drop. Cup don't full. Pata. God, that messed on my 200 euro. Wait, this one for me not be saying that me not go use and judge me say. Oh, I love you. Go. And this cup don't full. Where this water come enter for inside? I agree. Where this water dey enter? Na me no know. Where you water? Four. Water four. So far, water enter inside now. Yes, you do for your own now. And the water, which you, something don't full. It don't full. Only tell me where water not there for on top of this one. Okay. Come on. Okay. Now, the last part. Good. Hey, put it in there. If you don't shake, you say, he come down now, you do not be big one. That money don't base. Yeah, let's go. Hey, put it, don't shake me. Don't shake me. Guys, this one tough. I don't know say they tough fish like this, so. Oh, they shake me. If you shake me, say this will not gush out. You go pay me 200 euro. I'm not gonna say this small picking. You go pay 200 euro. Don't be that. You big. Yes, I beg. I beg. If you know that be your father. Hey! No, na lie. He fall from there. Only he fall from there. No. For now. I don't win 6 times. Madam, no lie, see her, you don't see. Guys, I win my wife 3 times and he keep on. So now me win the water don't fall from here. Maybe not go stand for there. It don't fall from the back for here. He put them for here, he fall for here. Okay, let's go. Don't worry. Oh, yeah, my own for your food now. Another one. Guys, thank God. See ya. Now 200 euro. Now she for pick all this money today. See ya. 200 euro. Now me win now.
You not get mercy party.
This money na ma.
You not get mother sympathy.
No, I don't get mother. I get papa sympathy.
You must get mother sympathy.
Guys, make her give her. Make her leave her.
You must get mother sympathy. Where's the baby?
I wish me win just now. I wish she win just now. She for carry the whole money.
Aye.
Now, since now me win, make her somebody still put the money for my pocket.
Aye.
Alright, guys, please, if you like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, still the same name where we dey bear for this place, Uche Bible. Now we see the bear for our YouTube channel. I beg, may you follow us. And again, follow my wife on her page, Miss Precious, MHIZ. Then you go space more Precious. Thank you very much. Thank you. Follow us, share, and comment. Bye.